How does deterrence theory work? Have you ever wondered why some people think twice before committing a crime? The answer might lie in deterrence theory. This theory suggests that individuals are less likely to engage in criminal behavior if they believe the consequences will be certain, swift, and severe enough to outweigh any potential benefits. So, how does this work in practice? Deterrence theory has three main components. First, there is the certainty of punishment. This means that a person must believe there is a high chance they will be caught and punished if they commit a crime. If this belief is absent, the threat of punishment loses its effectiveness. Next, we have the celerity or swiftness of punishment. The quicker the punishment is imposed after the crime, the more likely it is to influence behavior. Immediate consequences tend to have a stronger impact than those that are delayed. Finally, we consider the severity of punishment. The punishment must be harsh enough to outweigh the perceived benefits of committing the crime. However, if the punishment is too severe but unlikely to be enforced, it may not serve as an effective deterrent. Deterrence theory can be divided into two forms: specific deterrence and general deterrence. Specific deterrence focuses on punishing an individual to discourage them from reoffending in the future. General deterrence, on the other hand, aims to discourage others in society from committing similar crimes by publicly punishing offenders. In real life, deterrence theory influences many criminal justice policies. For instance, mandatory sentencing laws and increased policing in crime hotspots aim to deter crime. Publicizing punishments can also reinforce the risks associated with offending. Take, for example, laws that impose strict penalties for violent offenses in nightlife areas. These laws, combined with measures like identification scanners to enforce bans, aim to deter both specific offenders and the wider community from engaging in similar behavior. While deterrence theory has shaped many crime prevention strategies, the evidence on its effectiveness is mixed. Its success often hinges on the actual certainty and swiftness of punishment rather than just the severity. Additionally, an overemphasis on deterrence can sometimes lead to systemic issues, such as racial disparities in the justice system. Overall, deterrence theory works by influencing the rational decision-making process of potential offenders. The credible threat of punishment that is certain, prompt, and proportionate to the crime plays a significant role in this process. This approach aligns closely with rational choice theory in criminology, which views crime as a calculated decision rather than purely impulsive behavior.